Welcome back to Red Dirt Magnet Fishing. We're about to take our first trip to the Scrapyard, but before we do that, I got mail from another magnet fishing channel. This says Squirrel Magnet Fishing and Outdoors. Check out their channel. Description link will be in the description down below. Let's get to the Scrapyard. I'm sorry about that.
You're alright.
I've never been here before, so I don't know like what the. I pull a bunch of stuff out of the rivers and canals and stuff with the magnet.
Okay.
So a
Just
bunch of stuff.
regular steel?
Yeah, as far as I know, yeah.
Okay, you'll just pull up on this scale and stop. I'll get your weight and then I'll wave you on. You back up to the pile. One of the guys will usually tell you where to back up or just kind of go with the flow of where people are at.
Okay.
You toss your stuff off and then you get back on the scale, weigh out, and I'll let you know when to go. And then you just park and come in here, bring your ID, and I'll get you paid.
Okay. I drove in on the scale, and you said I was okay to go on, so
Are you in the maroon truck?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So you'll just go ahead and dump your stuff off and then...
Just in one of the piles somewhere.
Yep,
Okay.
just the big pile right there. I think there's a little silver truck. You can back up right next to him.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yep.
Except for that $50. Oh, I brought my sorry, first timer, nerves. Don't know how anything works. So.
You're good.
You came highly recommended, though. And this will be the same when I come back in the future?
Huh?
This will be the same when I come back in the future? Okay.
Sign that one for me. Anywhere on the page is fine, and you don't have to date it.
Wow, 300 pounds.
Okay, this one you're going to take right across the parking lot to that ATM.
Okay.
You'll push any button next to the screen. Say this is the screen, you're going to want to hold it just like this, right at that second button level.
Okay.
It'll scan this barcode and pay you.
Thank
If
you.
you have troubles, just find it and I'll help you.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yee. 10. $6 per ton. 300 pounds, $18. Not bad, not bad. Oh, I go over here. Alright, I said touch any button.
How can we see? The barcode is facing us. That's the yellow line on the moment. Please wait while we process the transaction. Después de que el proveedor mientras que terminamos su transacción.
Ooh, cash. Exciting. Thank you. Alright, well I knew we didn't have a full load, but was worried about getting on the highway going to work and stuff with some of that stuff back in there, especially those flat pieces. I didn't want something flying out and hitting another car. So 300 pounds at $18, not bad. Pretty exciting for the first time out. Like, subscribe, click on the bell icon to get notifications for new videos when they come out. Don't forget to check out our Ko-Fi store with some of our merch, and you can donate to get me something to drink because it is hot out here. And we'll see you later, friends.